Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a haul on my buyingcoins.com purchases, and oh my god, shipping took so long. Literally it took like almost 2.5 months. I think the package must have gotten lost or something, but I've ordered from Buying Coins a couple of times. This is probably my 6th or 7th time. They are just a wholesale store located in China, I believe, and all of their items are really inexpensive. You just kind of have to wait for shipping, which again does take maybe like 3 weeks to 2 months like this one did, but I just ordered some stationery items that I saw that their site did carry. I never knew they carried any of those items. Usually I go more for like makeup and stuff like that because I've never really looked around their site until I did make this purchase. So I did purchase some like kind of washi tape, some other kind of lace tapes. I bought a lot of rings because they were really cheap and they were really cute, so I really recommend checking out their site for jewelry. And then I did get a face brush, and I think that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to see this little haul from buyingcoins.com, then just keep watching. I will list their link down below if you guys want to check any of these items out for yourself. And so yeah, let's just get right into the haul. Alright, so this first item is a pack of 10 washi tapes. They're not actually called washi tapes. I think they're called paper tapes, but they're pretty much the same thing. And these are more like pastel colors. They're a little bit lighter. I guess you could say they're kind of in between, but I really like these, and I love having a variety of colors, and these are extremely affordable. When I saw the price, I was so surprised. So it does look like there is a good amount of tape on here as well, so that's really great. Alright, next are these clear tapes. They're kind of like scotch tape, but they have some white detailing on them. When you purchase these, I think they give you random designs, so you can't pick the designs that you want. Unfortunately, all of these designs were quite similar. 2 of them are the same, and then the third one is pretty much the same as well, so that was kind of a bummer, but I'll still try to use these up. So you can't really see them rolled up, so I'll just show them each individually. So this is what the first one looks like. It just has the Eiffel Tower, and it just says Paris on it with a bunch of clouds all over it. And again, these are really random, so yeah, this is what the first one looks like. So this is the second one. Again, it just has a bunch of Eiffel Towers, and it just says Paris on them. I was hoping to get the other designs, but I guess these are fine as well. And then the third one is just the same one, so yay, I get the same patterns. Alright, these are just some sticky notes, and they are kind of this ninja themed with some faces here, and I just thought they were really cute. The packaging was kind of, you know, bent, and the way, like I said, the way they packaged this order was a little disappointing, but it didn't damage any of the page flags, so that's all that really matters. So that's just what that looks like. Next is a book full of page flags again, and these are fingered theme. They just look like that, and they have faces at the top, which I think is cute, so that you can kind of show the faces peeking up at the top of your planner or whatever. And yeah, I just thought these were really adorable and decided to pick them up. Alright, next is just this pack of 6 sheets of stickers, and the packaging again kind of messed it up and kind of bent it, so as you can see, that's a little disappointing. So it's not damaged, but I just don't like how it's bent. And the sheets just consist of all circles. Again, with this item, they didn't let you choose the design, I don't believe, because I originally thought I ordered hearts. I'm pretty sure I ordered hearts, so I got circles instead. So again, just be careful of that and know what you're getting yourself into. Alright, next is another book of sticky notes, and this is called the Persian Cat book, I guess. So on the inside, you just get a variety of sizes of sticky notes along with the page flags up here. As you can see, there's a little bit of damage on here. I think something was ripped from it. So again, a little disappointing. And these tinier ones up here, the book was a little bent as well, as you can see. But nothing major, but I'm still a little disappointed, but these are still cute. So next are these lace stickers. They aren't really like paper material, they're a little bit thicker. So this first one is just white. Alright, so this is what they look like. They come on this film and you just peel it off just like any kind of sticker. So not really like washi tape, but I just still thought it was really cute, and I love lace anything. So, and then I did get another one in black, and this patterning is a little bit different. I think there's like a butterfly in there or something, but I just decided to get black as well. Alright, next is just a random brush that I got because I really wanted to try a bigger tapered brush, and it just comes in this little protective baggie here. And I do really like the brushes that I bought from them. Those are the only brushes that I really use, and they're really affordable, so I don't really mind. And so yeah, this is pretty much just a tapered brush. Alright, so the last few items are just all rings. They were really affordable, and they came in a lot of sets, so I just decided to grab some. Why not? Because again, they were really affordable. So this is the first pack, and I'm just gonna run through them real quick. Alright, so this is what they look like on. They're mostly like knuckle rings, I think that's what they're called, or mid rings. I just thought they were really cute, and these are all gold and have some little jewels here and affinity signs, and just really random. This one, I do not know what that says. I've tried to kind of figure it out, but I don't know. But yeah, so that's what they look like, and they just look like this from the back. Alright, so this is the next set. There's 3 rings, this double ring, and then this single tiny little gold band, and that's what they look like on the back. And then it did come with this really pretty floral one, but as you can see, it's bent really awkward, so that won't fit my finger. I'm gonna try to unbend it to see if that will work. So as you can see, I was able to bend it so it does fit my finger, but I wouldn't bend it any more than that, or I think it might break off. So I think this one is really pretty. I think this was the main reason why I ordered this set. Alright, so these are the next set of rings. Again, just really random. There's a skull here, an anchor, these really nice ones. I don't really know how you would call that. And then this Om hand, I believe that's what they're called, but that's what they look like. And then that's the back. Alright, and then these are the last set of rings that I got for myself. These are a little bit more unique and different. This one is a really cute bowl ring that I really like. And then this one is really different. It is a nail ring, so it's supposed to cover your nail, but it's really skinny, so I don't really know how I feel about that one. And then this is a really small heart one, and then this is actually supposed to be like a nail wrapped around, which looks really cool. And then this is a skull, actually, if you look at it from the front. And then these 2 are just 2 little regular gold rings, and then they look like that from the back. Alright, so these last 2 rings, if you're a fan of The Lord of the Rings, then you know what this is. This is just a gold ring from the movie, and I got these for my boyfriend because I wanted to give it to him for Christmas, but unfortunately it didn't come in time. And I did get 2 different sizes. I got size 20 and size 19 because I wasn't sure which size he was, and I remember him talking about how if we ever got married, he wanted a Lord of the Rings ring, and I'm pretty sure he was joking, but I just thought this would be fun to get it for him. And it's not in any way an engagement ring or anything. I just thought it would be really cute, but I'm really impressed with them because I thought they would look really like bootleg, but they actually look pretty legit. It's carved in there. Yeah, it's actually carved in there, so yeah, that looks pretty legit.